Okay, I got some questions about how to install the threaded Wyze Sense brackets that I made. And so I thought I would just show that really quick. I've got them in this front door here. This is the magnet side, so I'm just gonna step up here. Now, I've already got them in, but this one is a 5/8 inch hole. And so, but you wanna really just be very generous about how big the hole is. And what I did was I started drilling the hole and then I tightened it by hand because it can, if it's too tight, it's really hard to get off. They're 3D printed, so they're not the strongest of material. So you want it just enough where, see, I can hand tighten it in, and even it kind of slides in sometimes, but then that last little bit, it's just tight enough. And then you have to use a screwdriver, and I tried to use the fattest screwdriver. You can see I've done this about a dozen times, and so it kind of wears a little bit on the 3D printed material. Not too much, but so you just get it in flush there. And then the same thing on this side with the sensor. So just enough, see, just to get it come out. And you should be able to hand tighten, and even that last little bit kind of pulls out. So if you make it too tight, you're gonna have problems, might even break the bracket. It shouldn't really have a lot of resistance on it. It's not designed to take any type of load. It's just designed to make it snug in there and make it so you can easily pull it out with those threads. And to show that it works, sorry, this is a little hard. I got both my phone and a tablet here. So I've got that my front door is open there, and I will shut the door. Ugh. Tight fit, and now it's closed. So hopefully that clarifies how that works. Let me know if you have any questions, and hopefully I can answer them.